Good morning, Trojans. Um, Excited. I hope you're all excited to get back to another week here at school. We're going to have a short week as we are approaching the Easter break. So we have school through Thursday this week, and then Friday and Monday you get a couple of days off. So hopefully you're able to enjoy that and be able to recharge your batteries here for the stretch run of the school year. Looking at back at last week was no complaints week. So hopefully everybody took advantage of that and stayed positive. And when there was something that was bothering them, they found strategies in which to handle those situations rather than just always whining and complaining about the littlest of details. So hopefully that bit of positivity made your week brighter. Congratulations to last week's Students of the Week. We had Robin Johnson and Grace Adam. Looking forward to a new batch of Students of the Week this week, so congratulations to those students. This week, we're going to remove the negativity from our lives. That's going to be our Monday mission, is to remove the negativity from our lives. So, in case everybody hasn't figured it out, day-to-day life can be very, very difficult. It's filled with ups and downs and things that you thought would work out and they don't. So the last thing that we need to do is we shouldn't be inviting the negativity from others into our lives. So the biggest way that happens, well, the one thing that used to happen a lot is when somebody had an issue with something or someone, they either A, internalized it and used strategies on how to fix it themselves, or B, they dealt with the issue by going to that person or that thing and dealing with it, addressing it face to face. If you have a concern, go to that person and address it. Those are some things that happen a lot of the times. Nowadays, however, if there's a beef, people don't hesitate to post their problem on social media, and I feel and people feel, and there's a movement out there that think that social media has given people a pass. That allows people to say negative or mean things to people that they wouldn't even dream of saying if that person was standing right in front of them. And that's not really what social media is about. So social media is about sharing what's going on in your life, sharing the cool things that are happening on in your life that allows you to stay connected to those people that you're not around. Social media was designed to connect with others. And build relationships. And when you post negative things and say mean things, it's not a relationship builder, it's a relationship destroyer, or it doesn't even allow the relationship to get off the ground. So some ways that you can think about removing negativity from your life is unfollow or delete negativity from your social media. If there's somebody that's always out there posting mean, negative things, unfriend them or delete them from your following. Or choose just to stay out of the situation. Don't be somebody that builds upon that negativity. Something that you can do is make positive posts on social media. If you had something that went on great in your life, let people know about it. There's relatives that don't live near you. That's an opportunity for social media for them to see the great things that's going on in your life, for them to be proud of you and to build you up. So take that opportunity to post the positive things on social media. And then finally, if there's something or someone that upsets you, and what you need to do is go deal with the issue rather than going on a social media rant. Go address those problems face to face. I think people would be much better off if we would do that on a consistent basis. And then finally, this is the last full week of March, so our Trojan Way focus is still no negative. This week, in our Trojan Way, or in our Trojan Time buddies, or our Monday morning, in our first thing on Tuesday morning, what we need to do is reflect back on the month, things that we heard throughout the month on no negativity. So the topics that we covered this week are using your words wisely, which was meant to just be something that we can take time and think about what we're saying and our words and our actions, how they affect others. The positivity challenge and the no complaints week kind of go together. Hopefully they gave you an opportunity to kind of reflect and think about and feel and have some feel goods about the good things that are happening in your life. And then last thing is, like this week, removing the negativity from your life. What are some ways that you can do that? and how is that affecting you in a positive way. So I hope this month has been a really good one. It's been, I think for our BIS group, it's been one that's been a good one to kind of reflect and get some ideas out there, because going to school and being around so many people on a daily basis, it's important to keep it positive and keep things headed in a really positive direction. Otherwise, it can really turn sideways in a hurry. So we hope that everybody's had a great month and had a great school year, and that we finish things out on the high note. And let's have a great week, and go Trojans.